Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80070050, the file exists when trying to delete a file, then please watch this video. Now, the first and most obvious solution is to restart the computer. I'll tell you why. Because when you restart the computer, it will kill all the active processes, and upon restarting, those processes will have to rebuild itself. So, if the file is open, or if it says that there is an issue with deleting the file, something is preventing it from happening, then merely restarting it will kill all of those processes and you can do it from the ab initio. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a clean boot. Now, why am I suggesting a clean boot? The reason I'm suggesting a clean boot is that at times a third party software product may be preventing the file from deletion. And even if you restart your computer, that third party software will initiate on restarting it itself, and then it will cause the problem. So we need to isolate this cause. A clean boot will disable all third party programs upon startup itself. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, and then on OK, and then click on restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.